Hello there everyone on the internet, hope you all are doing awesome. I'm Vikas Tiwari and welcome to Programmers Mode. In this video we are going to discuss about types of logs, how they help us, why they are important. So let's get started with it. Now what is log or log level? In simple terms, it is a piece of information which tells you how your state of application is. If they are used properly, they can simply help you out before you run into any critical situation. Log is a way to filter out the critical information about your system state and reduce the information noise. There are many applications and packages which help you deal with logs, and obviously they come with different methods. But here we'll talk about some log levels that are commonly present. They are error, Vaughn, info, and debug. Let's discuss about them in detail one by one. Firstly, let's talk about error. It is an unexpected event that could impact the functionalities of our app. It doesn't necessarily need immediate action, but the sooner we give attention to it, the better it is. Example of an error is failing to connect with any external dependency or services will lead to error. Next comes Vaughn. This is an unusual or unexpected app behavior that occurs and it may become error later. So until they are not doing any harm, they should be investigated in meantime. Next comes info. This type of log logs normal behavior of the application where they provide details about what or when something happened or changed, like adding or removing something from cart. Next is debug. This type of logs are particularly useful while debugging the code. A lot of information is provided into the log, so it is necessary to filter out the logs. They are useful during development phase. We can take an example of connection with database established successfully. We can clearly understood now some logs are helpful at user level and some are at developer level. Hope you enjoyed and understood the types of logs that we discussed. For today, that is all. We'll meet again in next video with an amazing and interesting topic. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your mates. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.